First of all, we need to open gallery. Now over here from gallery, we're gonna choose a photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Now let's tap on this square with the pen, this icon that we have at the bottom in here. And we need to go to the create section where we can find the eraser, or it is actually called erase. Now, if you use it for the first time, you will have to download the eraser because it is actually not pre-installed for some reason. So once you have it, once the download is done, you should be able to once again select this option in order to open the eraser. Over here we can use the eraser to remove objects, we can remove people, remove reflection, and we can manually select an area to erase. So first I'm gonna start with objects. I'm gonna draw a shape around this car toy that I'm trying to remove. There we go. And we can press start in order to try to remove the selected object. Of course, there is a chance that we will have some leftovers after erasing our object. There we go. It actually was replaced with a phone for some reason. I'm not sure why is that. So we can try to select it again, and let's see if it's gonna be erased. I'm not sure, no idea honestly why it was replaced with a phone. Now it's a tree for some reason, so something seems to be messed up. Maybe I'm gonna use the manual selection actually, and we're gonna check if this is gonna work. Usually it works just fine. Maybe this time I actually did something, but there we go, manual actually works just fine. So I assume that maybe when we try to remove an object, then the phone tries to fill in gaps, and maybe the phone recognizes that there is something like a background or something with trees and so on and so forth, so it tries to fill the gaps in. In this case, it did well, but now it seems that the eraser is actually stuck for some reason. I guess I'm really unlucky this time, so this is how it looks like. Let's actually try again. And hopefully this time it's gonna work in a much better way. So I'm just gonna quickly try to manually erase this area. This is actually the first time that it happened to me, so I guess I was really unlucky. There we go, it actually now works just fine. So as you can see, it can work really well if it wants to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.